Hi, I'm Mrs. Goodwin. I'm a second grade teacher from South Adams Elementary, and I've been learning and growing as an educator from the day I stepped foot in the classroom. I do this through collaborating, connecting, and creating. I love to collaborate with people on Twitter and learn new ideas, and also through other educational blogs. And then as I connect with those people, I can connect my students with their classes around the world through Skypes and Google Hangouts and community projects and online projects. We can all learn from each other, which is a great experience. I also love to bring my ideas back to the classroom from Twitter, and we do lots of creating. I've learned so many new apps, and the students are always creating new things. The students love to create and share, and as a teacher, I feel like they are constantly learning and growing in that way. I'm able to meet with small groups, and their learning is soaring. And share all the creative projects that my students make on my educational blog so that other teachers can learn and grow too. I've put together a little video to give you kind of a peek of what it's like with the students in my classroom, watching them create on their iPads.